Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add an intro video to your YouTube channel. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do is come to our YouTube channel first of all. So we want to come across to youtube.com. And what I mean by intro video is if I actually go to my channel, it's actually the first video that kind of pops up in place. So you'll see at the moment it's this one, how to fix high ping in Roblox 2021. So to actually set this, what you want to do is come and click onto your icon and then come to YouTube Studio. And then to actually add this, what you want to do is on the left hand side, you want to come down and in this menu here, so you just want to scroll down till you get to customization and then just give that a click. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to bring up this page here. So it actually says layout and then it says video spotlight. So this is actually where you can put your intro video. So you can actually put two different ones if you want as well. You've got a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, which is really good. So you can actually put like an intro video so for people who haven't subscribed to your channel, when they come and check out your channel, this is the first video that's going to pop up. And you can make this like an introduction to your channel, so you can sort of tell people what you're about and things like that. And then what you can do is actually choose a different video for returning subscribers. And they're going to see this one as well. I've got mine set to the same for subscribers and people that are not subscribed. But obviously it's down to you if you want to choose two different videos. But to do it, all you need to do is hover over the one you want, and then what's going to happen, you're going to get the three dots up here where it says options. Go ahead and give that a click, and then you want to click on to change video. And then what you can do is actually choose your video from here. So what you want to do is actually make sure you've uploaded your introduction channel to your channel. Obviously you can set it as unlisted, so people don't see it as a normal video on your channel, if that makes sense. So, you know, it will just be there ready for you to select. So you need to make sure it's uploaded so you can set it as your introduction video. And yeah, once that's set, you just want to go ahead and click the publish button, which will highlight up here in the top right hand corner. And that's going to save the changes, and you'll see when you next go to your channel, it's going to automatically play that introduction video. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.